What's up, everybody? I'm Tim from Timber Ridge Gifts, back to do another unboxing and supplier review. The company we're checking out today is a company called Gel Time. They make a lot of the fake food and wax embeds that you'll see in a lot of the really decorative gel candles. Now, if you've ever seen a candle like that and thought, how did that candle maker make that fruit or that food look so realistic in that candle? Well, the answer is super simple. We cheat. Now, we could put in the time and effort to build in the molds, perfecting the color, and actually making them ourselves, but it's so much easier and usually a lot more cost effective to just find a company like Gel Time, let them do all the work, and just buy from them. Now, I know when you're making candles, especially to sell for a business, it seems a lot more cost effective to actually make everything yourself, and in a lot of cases it is. But when we're talking about these gel wax embeds, unless you're just doing really large runs of these, it's not really cost effective to do it yourself, just because of all the work that's involved perfecting it. You've got to build your mold, you've got to get everything just right, you've got to perfect your color and your texture, so many other things you've got to get just right to make that wax embed resemble food as closely as you can. If you're doing a really large scale production, it does become cost effective, but if you're just doing a few small candles for decorations, it's a whole lot easier just to let somebody like Gel Time do it, and you can just order from them. I'll leave their website in the video description so you guys can actually go to their website and see some of the things that I'm talking about. Prepare to be impressed. I mean, they've got wax embeds of pretty much everything you can think of. They've got waffles, cereal, graham crackers, pretty much any food item that you could actually think to make into a candle. They've got it there. Let's check out some of the ones that I've got from them. So the first thing I've got is an Amplifier Kit. This one comes with the full bottom crust with the crimped top, and enough realistic baked apple slices to really make that pop. Next, we have another Amplifier embed kit. This one with a slightly different crust. They actually sell a huge selection of these decorative pie crust tops. And again, this is just another size of the realistic baked apple pie crust embeds. Next, we have a couple of blueberry pie embeds. The first one is very similar to that first apple pie we had. Just the full crust with the crimped top. And very realistic looking blueberries. And next we have another blueberry pie, again with the very realistic looking blueberries, and this time with a decorative pie crust top. And last but not least, we have scented and colored gel wax to match each of our candles. We have apple pie scented gel wax to complete our apple pies, and blueberry scented gel wax to complete our blueberry pies. So let's go ahead and put all these together, make some pies, and show you just how realistic looking these are when they're done. For those of you that have never used gel wax before, you can actually get this a lot hotter than the soy or paraffin that you're used to working with. We're actually going to pour this around 240. So we need to go ahead and get this on the heat and start it melting. Okay, so while we are waiting for that to melt down, we can go ahead and start putting our pies together. Alright, these are all set. We're just waiting on our wax to melt down. These are already incredibly realistic looking. It's going to pop that much more once we pour the gel wax over them. It's going to get that real nice glossy pie filling look to it. So let's go ahead and get ready for that. Alright, so our wax is up to temperature. Now we're going to go ahead and pour. Now we're just going to let these cool, come back later, check them out, see how our pies look. Alright, now our candles are completely dried, and let's have a look at them. Now we've trimmed our wicks. These are ready to light, to display, or to sell. The cool thing about these is we can leave them in the candle tin, or for the ones that have the full crust, we can actually take them out of the tin and they can be sold or displayed like that. Definitely a fun product to work with. Definitely worth checking out if you really want to add those realistic elements to your candles. Again, the link is in the video description. You guys make sure you head over to Gel Time, check that out. You guys make sure to like this video, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you guys will know when I put new videos out. Make sure you guys click right here, check out my playlist, watch all my other videos, Make sure to leave likes and comments on those as well. Subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.